Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I look at you and see the rest of my life in front of my eyes. And then my soul saw you and it kind of went, "Oh, there you are. I've been looking for you." To be your friend was all I ever wanted. To be your lover was all I ever dreamed. Your voice is my favorite sound. You make my heart smile. The greatest happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved. I didn't choose you. My heart did. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. You had me at hello. I love you more than I have ever found a way to say to you. When I follow my heart, it leads me to you. I wish I could turn back the clock. I'd find you sooner and love you longer. I just want to lay on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. If I had a flower for every time I thought of you, I could walk through my garden forever. When I'm with you, hours feel like seconds. When we're apart, days feel like years. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. True love is rare, and it's the only thing that gives life real meaning. My love for you is a journey, starting at forever and ending at never. You're my person. If I know what love is, it is because of you. You are my heart, my life, my one and only thought. I never want to stop making memories with you. You're the one I've been waiting for. You are my favorite notification. I am in you and you in me, mutual in divine love. I love you more than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow. With you, I am home. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. I would rather spend one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone.